Lesson 17. Practice Sentences Part 3. Wait a second, or really? Hold on a second. Hold on a second. Hold on a second. You can't swim? You can't swim? You can't swim? You can't swim? No, I'm afraid of water. No, me afraid of water. No, me afraid of water. No, me afraid of water. You have to learn to swim. You have to learn to swim, man. You have to learn to swim, man. You have to learn to swim, man. Are we going to the movies later? We're going to movie later? We're going to movie later? We're going to movie later? Which one are we going to see? Which one we're going to see? Which one we're going to see? Which one we're going to see? Make sure you are ready on time. Make sure you're ready on time. Make sure you're ready on time. Make sure you're ready on time. I don't want to be late. Me no want be late. Me no want be late. Me no want be late. Wow, we barely made it on time. Why, we just make it. Why, we just make it. Why, we just make it. Why don't you iron your shirt? Or why didn't you iron your shirt? You can't press your shirt? You can't press your shirt? You can't press your shirt? It looks so wrinkled. It looks so crushed up. It looks so crushed up. It looks so crushed up. Wow, it's really crowded in here. Wow, it packing ya. Wow, it packing ya. Wow, it packing ya. Do you like the movie? Or did you like the movie? You like the movie? You like the movie? You like the movie? Listen, I don't understand it. Irwa, me no understand it. Irwa, me no understand it. Irwa, me no understand it. Which part did you not understand? Which part you no get? Which part you no get? Which part you no get? The whole thing was kind of confusing. The whole thing did kinda confusing. The whole thing did kinda confusing. The whole thing did kinda confusing. You wasted your money then. You waste your money then. You waste your money then. You waste your money then. Just a reminder, the A's highlighted in green at the beginning of the sentences can either be used or ignored. That's how it is sometimes. I saw it go sometime. I saw it go sometime. I saw it go sometime. I like to laugh. I prefer comedy. Me like laugh. Me prefer comedy. Me like laugh. Me prefer comedy. Me like laugh. Me prefer comedy. All right. Let's see a comedy next time then. All right. Make we see a comedy next time then. All right. Make we see a comedy next time then. All right. Make we see a comedy next time then. Are we going home now or do you want to go somewhere else? We going home now or you want to stop somewhere? We going home now or you want to stop somewhere? We going home now or you want to stop somewhere? I'm tired. It's time to go to bed. I tired. Me better call me. I tired. Me better call me. I tired. Me better call me. Just a reminder, in most cases, such as this one, the A, which represents I, is interchangeable with me. Me tired. Me better call me.